Hello, guys. Good evening. Hello. Are you able to hear me, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, Raj, we can hear you.
Okay. Good. How many guys joined? Yeah. Chinmay, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Karthik, Padma, and Beauty Kumari. Okay. So, yeah. Let me also ring other guys. Maybe ideally there should be two more. Okay, guys. Just give me a moment. Hi, Sanjay.
Hi, good evening. Right now.
Very good evening. Guys, we are going to start now. So I have already started the recording. I am going to share my screen and just confirm me. Are you able to see my screen? You are able to see my screen, right,
Yes,
guys?
yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So as I told you that there are three structures: enterprise structure, personal structure, and organization structure. Okay. So yesterday we discussed regarding enterprise structure and personal structure. And also yesterday we have started the organization structure. Today we are going to continue the same. Am I clear? Fine. And regarding Kumari Beauty, right? So I'll just compensate your class. Okay. Maybe I'll try to connect you in the weekend and try to compensate the two classes. So what you
Sure.
have not yet attended, right?
Right.
Yeah, good. So guys, I'm going to start. Okay, so please make your notebook and pen ready because I'm going to ask you to write the concept. I'll come to IMG. Okay, and then I will come to personal management. I'll come to organization management. I'll come to then whenever you do the configuration, I told you that go to additional information and click on country assignment. Again, I'm telling you, whenever you do the configuration, click here additional information and go to country assignments, right? So coming to basic setting, so I think yesterday we have done info types, right? Right, guys? So what is info type? The user can store the data. Info type is nothing but the database where the user can store the data. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes. Yes.
And so now info types you have written yesterday, the types of info types. Today I'm going to explain subtypes, right? Subtypes are the further segregation of info type. Again, I'm telling you, subtypes are the further segregation of info types. Okay, subtypes are the further segregation of info types. So subtypes. Okay, guys. So please write it down. Info type 1001. Subtype is A002, A003, A007, A008, A011, A012. Including that, you mention the descriptions also. Because in interview, they'll ask you what is A002, what is A003, and the descriptions, right? So info type is 1001, and these are the subtypes having the descriptions. Please write it down. And beauty, you just try to understand. Okay, slowly you will understand everything. Okay, this is very easy to understand. But as today is your first class, and we have already completed two classes before this, so I'll compensate this through two classes. After that, you can connect. Am I clear? Am I clear? Yeah. So guys, please write it down and please mute your mic so that please mute your mics, guys. Yeah, please write it down. Once you'll be done, then let me know. Yeah, please write it down.
Raj, I'm done.
Let's wait for others. Okay, let them write because this is interview question. Guys, everybody write. Let me know once you'll be done.
Done, Raj.
Everybody done? Karthik done?
Yes, Raj.
Padma done?
1 second.
No problem. Take your time and write. Don't worry. Once you'll be done, then let me know.
Done, Raj.
Okay, good. Now go back. Now, coming to a relationship. Now, what are the objects in organization structure? Can somebody tell me? What are the objects in organization structure? Guys, what are the objects in organization structure?
Position,
Very
job,
good. Very good. Very good,
uh,
Sanjay. Organization unit, cost center.
cost center,
Clear?
organization.
Very good.
Work
So these
center and
person, organization unit, position, job, cost center, work center, person. These are the common objects in our organization structure, right? So when we are going to design an organization structure, so the organization structure is the combination of all these objects. Am I clear or not? Am I clear or not?
yes.
Yes, yes.
So an organization structure is the combination of objects. Now, one object is linked to another object. Position is linked to another position. Position is linked to organization unit. Unit is nothing but your department, sub-department, section, subsection. These are nothing but your organization unit. Position is linked to job. Person is linked to position. Organization unit is linked to another org unit. Cost center is linked to organization unit. So one object is linked to another object. Clear? So how they are getting linked? They are getting linked based on what? They are getting linked based on a relationship. So they are getting linked based on a relationship. So the relationship is nothing but your reporting structure. Relationship is nothing but your reporting structure. The relationship shows this is the relationship between two objects. The relationship between position, position to job, job to position to person, position to organization unit. So this is nothing but these are your relations. Am I clear? So
Yes, Raj.
So coming to a relationship. First you write it down. What is relationship? This is the interview question. Write down the first line. After that, I will tell you. Okay. After that, okay, write down by it's 2 lines. After that, I'll tell you the relationship that you have to write down the examples. Do it.
Raj, I'm done.
Is it done? Everybody done?
Yes, done from my side.
Done, Raj.
I'm done too.
Done. Then we have to write execute. Write down the table. There are two type of relationship: bottom up and top down. Bottom up shows upward relationship. The executive position is reporting to manager position, that is upward. Top down shows downward relationship. Manager is reported by executive. Manager is reported by 10 executives, that is downward. Upward relationship, the symbol is capital A. Downward relationship, the symbol is capital B. So the relationship or reporting structure may be upward or may be downward. Write down table. Relationship bottom up A, relationship top down B. Write down.
Raj, I have one doubt.
Yeah.
Uh, Whichever you have highlighted, that I have to note it down, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Done, Raj.
Okay.
I'm done too.
Mine is also done.
And I'm going back. So this is all about a relationship. They are going to ask you in interview what is relationship and give the example of a relationship. Okay. Am I clear? Am I clear, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, maintain evaluation path. What is evaluation path? So, as I told you, that we are going to, when we are, you know, creating one organization structure, then that organization structure is the combination of object and relationship. Now, most of relationships are inbuilt in the system. So you are not going to, uh, create relationships except few. So most of relationships are, guys, inbuilt. So the evaluation path, what is evaluation path? Evaluation path shows you are going to evaluate the organization structure based on object and relationship. Whatever the objects are there and how one object is linked to another object based on what relationship. So here the concept is there. First you write down the concept. After that, I will tell you the evaluation path. Then we'll take one evaluation path and we'll do the analysis, right? So first you write down this highlighted line item, this line item. After that, yeah, this one and this one. Take your time and write it down. This is an interview question. Whenever you are writing, don't write blindly. Whenever you are writing, please read, understand, and write. Then only it will be easier for you. Don't write blindly for namesake, because this is not something where I'm just teaching you a book. I'm just exchanging here the knowledge and giving you the training based on the skill. So you need to understand the skill. So please understand and then write. If you don't have any, you have an issue regarding these lines or words, then let me know. I'll clarify it. But don't write blindly like a robot.
Hi, Raj.
Yeah, tell me.
Raj, I'm little confused. I know I have not done the two classes. Maybe after that it will get clear.
Don't worry. Yeah,
But
tell me.
what is the use of this evolution path and everything?
Okay, okay. When you are going to design an organization structure, right? So in an
Okay.
organization structure, position is there, job is there, departments are there, sections are there, subsections are there, person is
Mm-hmm.
there. So every object, these are known as one object. So every object is linked to another object based on relationships, right?
Okay.
Now one evaluation path will represent both object and relationship, because the evaluation paths are inbuilt.
Okay.
Once you write this, after that, I'll take example and I'll explain it.
Done. Done. Thank you.
Raj, I have a question.
Yeah.
What is a holder? Can you please explain?
What is
Holder, that is
holder?
represented.
Holder,
Yeah.
holder, right? One position hold, one person hold the position. So the person is
Okay.
known as the holder of the position, right?
Okay. So a person, it refers to the person who's holding
Person
it.
and position. Yeah, person and position.
Oh,
Then only that
okay.
holder relationship will be there. Clear?
All right. Yeah. I'm done.
That's please let me know.
Me too. Raj, I'm also done.
Okay, no problem.
Done, Raj.
Okay, guys. Now I'll take just write some evaluation path. Then we'll take one evaluation path and I'll explain it. So execute. I will take one evaluation path. Position. I'll put whatever I'm going to highlight. I'll highlight 4 evaluation paths. There are many evaluation paths, right? But just for your understanding, I'll highlight 3 evaluation paths. Please write down these 3 evaluation paths, including the description. After that, I will explain one by one.
I'm done.
I'm done too.
Okay, so I will take one uh, evaluation path. So I will just take, let me take OOSP. Then if I'll ask you guys, how many objects are there? Then the answer will be how much? How many objects are there?
3.
Very good. There are 3 objects. So
But Raj, how to know like 3 objects we have?
how to know 3 objects?
Uh,
Who told 3 objects? Can be explained?
Yeah, because the letters represent one object, O represents organizational unit, and S represents position, and P represents person.
Perfect. Okay. So no problem. That's fine. So O, S, and P. O stands for org unit, S stands for position, P stands for person. There are 3 objects. Clear? Am I
right.
clear? Okay. Now select this and let me. Okay. Now before I get inside, how many evaluation? Like how many relationship can be possible?
3 to 4.
Sorry. Take attempt.
3 to 4.
Either 3 or 4.
Yeah.
What? 3 or 4? Which one is correct?
3 correct. 3 correct.
How you
Because
explain?
position and this organization unit and like a holder person. These 3 is possible.
3 relationships can be possible. O to O, O to S, S to P. Clear?
Yeah.
Organization unit to organization unit, organization unit to position, and position to person. Am I clear? So let's see. Let's see. Select it. Click on evaluation path. Select it. Left hand side. Click on evaluation path. See, don't be confused by seeing all those things. Check. This number is nothing but your serial number. Then this is OOS. Object type. Object type is what? Object type is OOS. Means first O is linked to another O based on which relationship? Is line supervisor, right? And the relationship symbol is B, and B stands for downward relationship. Then second is O to S, means organization unit to position, based on which relationship? Incorporate. Third one is position to person, based on which relationship? Holder. So this OOSP, in this evaluation path, there are 3 objects and 3 relationships can be possible. O to O, O to S, and S to P. So this is nothing but this is your evaluation path. Means you are going to evaluate the organization structure based on object and relationships. The same way, suppose I will take this relationship. Now tell me, can somebody tell me O and P? This is a bit tricky. Can somebody tell me how many relationships can be possible?
Only one.
Wrong. Person cannot be directly linked to the organization unit. Person can be linked to position. Position can be linked to organization unit.
3.
2. O to S, S to P. Check here. Select it. Click on evaluation path. O to S and S to P. Because P can't directly link to O. Okay.
Raj, then why is it not displayed in the evaluation path code? Why is it not O to S and S to P, but rather O to
This
P?
is the trick that you need to evaluate, right?
Okay.
This is the standard evaluation path. You are going to evaluate.
Mm-hmm.
You can't ask the interviewer why it is not there.
Okay.
Then interviewer will tell then Interviewer will ask you the question, or you are going to ask the question to the interviewer? Because it's a standard evaluation path. You need to
Yes.
explain, you need to explore it, right? You know that O to P cannot be linked directly. Then in between O and P, what
Yeah.
should be there? S.
Yes.
O to S, S to P. So simple. Am I clear?
Yes. Yes. Thank you.
Consulting job is always tricky. Because of that only you guys will be highly paid. If it is straightforward, then why somebody will pay you high? Am I clear? Okay. Now, maintain personal action. What is personal action? I'm going to create a position. I'm going to maintain the relationship. I'm going to maintain the descriptions. This is nothing but this is your activities or actions. And that is your personal action. This is the interview question. Write it down. Here heading personal action in bracket, write it down, organization management. Because there are two personal action. One personal action is there in PA, one personal action is there in OM. So then write down. Okay guys, write down the highlighted line item. And then
Raj, you mentioned organizational in bracket what it was.
in organization management,
Okay.
maintain personal action in bracket organization management. Write down this one. Okay. And the steps of the personal action. These 4 lines, this line, and these 4 lines.
Raj, I'm done.
Okay.
Me also done that.
Okay, fine. Here only concept required. Okay, if it is done, let me know.
Done.
That's it for today. Okay.
Done.
Yeah, that's it for today. So thank you very much. Go through the concept, try to understand. If you have any doubts, just ask me. Okay. If you have any doubts, just let me know tomorrow. Okay. So thank you very much, guys. Good night. Take care. Bye.
Yeah.
Good night.
Right.
Good night. Good night.